On today's Tech Support Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix Active Backup for Business when it stops working because your certificate changes automatically. Here we're opening up Synology's Active Backup for Business agent, and you can see that the SSL certificate has been changed. To fix this, we go ahead and open the control panel and then go ahead and click on Security. Now click on Certificate and then click on Configure. Now if you look at all of these services, all you have to do is look for the Active Backup for Business and click the drop down and select Synology.com. So that way it is not using your quickconnect.synology.me, but rather the Synology.com certificate. And then click the OK button. Now come back over to the Backup for Business client and tell it to update the certificate. Click Proceed Anyway, and it's going to prompt you twice. And now it's updating, and now you're good to go.